Over the years, we've noticed that children's toys sell well at the auction, so we'd quite like to restore one. We thought we'd consult a toy expert, but we couldn't find one. So Derek has picked out something special for us.
It's just got that look about it that it's just shouting at you to restore it. There's plenty of pedal cars about, but not too many pedal trains.
Made by Patterson Edwards of London, this is a 70-year-old Leeway Flyer. A train so iconic, there's one in the vaults of the V&A.
I'll tell you what is nice about it. The tyres are rubbered, as you can see, and they're still there, which I think is very important. But the thing that's going to make that is a nice paint job, and I think it will make a lovely little machine for someone. Fantastic.
It's a rare collectible item with a full load of nostalgia. But will it make any money?
Let's face it, when it comes back looking gorgeous, it's worth 400 quid. Forget that, could make 800 quid.
To give it its best shot, we're sending it to Emma Galley and Richard Dixon at the Restoration Den in Hellifield, near Skipton.
Oh my God.
I love that.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
that is gorgeous.
Richard and Emma buy, restore and sell all sorts of vintage collectibles. Children's toys have always been a favourite of theirs.
Plan of action is pull it all apart.
Take all the running gear off first.
Yeah.
So you see.
Perfect.
This is the front steering axle. You're going to have to turn it.
The steering wheel's attached to the steering column. There we go.
Thank you.
Oh.
Lovely.
The Leeway is bringing back happy memories for Richard.
Once built a homemade go-kart, come around the corner and turn the wheel too tight,
Yeah.
and the wheel collapsed on the axle, and rumbling down the floor like a snowball. Yeah.
Yeah. How old were you? About 20?
It was last week.
Oh.
That's all the running gear off.
Most of the train is original, but Richard and Emma think part of it's been pimped.
Something's happened to the back end and it's been modified.
Yeah.
So it's basically a cut and shut.
It's been shunted.
Maybe at some point it's broken off and somebody's thought, I'll just trim that neatly
yeah.
and then put in this to support it.
Yeah,
But I love that because people did cobble things together. They certainly didn't go out and buy a new toy.
No.
They fixed what they got.
They did.
Which is what we're hoping for here.
Oh.
It just doesn't look like it at the moment.
Hello. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that.
There, that's
What have we done? In my mind, I'm seeing a navy blue train with orangey yellow on it. We were looking at circus vehicles and American railroad, bigger, better, you know, almost like a caricature of a train.
I quite like this scoop to the front.
Yeah.
And then we've seen some more with like larger funnels up on here, bigger and bolder. Like
really big, yeah.
You can make like a nameplate to go.
Oh, you could, yeah.
Round.
Thornton Thunderbolt.
Down there, so we're logo on the side.
Yeah. Gets Signwriter to paint it on.
That's right, that'll look really good, yeah.
At least there's a plan. Our train is currently a worthless heap of firewood. But we live in hope that a few days of sanding and priming will get it back on track. Richard and Emma have been busy.
Lovely.
That's really nice, isn't it? Some of these side panels, they delaminated, so we've cut new pieces out and we've primed all the old pieces that we were able to salvage, ready to put it all back together now.
Richard is happy in his work.
I'd like reconstructing stuff and rebuilding it and making it better than what it was originally. My original job, working in a body shop for 25 years, fabrication and panel beating and restoring old cars and motorbikes and that sort of stuff. It was like always hands-on. I just enjoy being involved with stuff. That should drop down to there.
There was a lot more hammering and a little bit of extra fabrication But by the following morning, our engine was starting to take shape. And now it had the makings of a tender in tow.
Basically, we've made a box to carry a small person or a teddy or whatever in. We just looked at the back end of this bit and thought, right, we'll replicate that onto this.
Next up, some paint.
Look at that.
Nice and rich, isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks very much like the Triumph Dolomite colours. Took me driving test in that.
I do love painting. Painting and painting oil on wood. That's my job here. It's coming to life now.
Grey no more.
Whoa, look at that.
Richard and Emma are on the last leg of their journey.
The train's moved on a bit. We've painted it about 4 times. You've sorted the boiler out, haven't you?
Yeah, repaired the boiler, taken all the dints out, filled it.
There's also some rivets. Well, sort of.
They're upholstery tacks, and the size of them actually is in proportion with the train. It just adds to the authenticity.
The wheels and running gear have all been powder coated. So now, just the simple task of putting it together again.
Are we saying that way round?
Come on.
I don't know why there's loads of other holes. So how does that fit to that?
I wonder if we've mixed it up when we've had it in bits.
Oh, we've mixed it up now.
Yes.
OK. Put it in there. Yeah, that's perfect.
OK.
Yep.
Luckily, the rest was more obvious.
All fine now, look. All good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Is it on?
Yeah.
Perfect.
The train is approaching its destination. Just some finishing touches. It needed a funnel, so that's exactly what Richard used.
Found it on the shelf. It was battered and beaten out of shape, so I've straightened it all up to try and keep it a bit of character, but nice and straight.
A belt added, everything was painted up, and then a very satisfying bit of craftsmanship to finish with. Eddie Ralph has been signwriting on cars, vans, canal boats and traction engines for over 30 years.
Do you just draw that on by freehand?
Basically, yes. I do draw it on freehand. But what I tend to do, I tend to do the second word first. The gap between doesn't really matter so much, but it looks awful if it's been crushed in at the end. It's fine lines, really, which you're painting on, just to give it the effect that you need. You tend to hold your breath a lot. You know, as soon as you put your brush on, like, you know, that's probably why I've got such good lungs. I suppose, in a sense, I could have just done a drop shadow on one side, but it looks better if you've got it all blocked in.
Eddie spent about 8 hours perfecting the design, but when he'd finished and a cow catcher had been made for the front, it was a thing of beauty.
A lot of work, a lot of hours, but enjoyable at the end and seeing it done.
Really good to do it.
Yeah,
It's been a real good project. Credit has to go to the Signwriting, because it just really makes it special.
Look at her. The Thornton Thunderbolt. Wow, brilliant. I think that's absolutely brilliant. Love the colour scheme. I love the tender. Yeah, I'm cut with that. I like the funnel. Quite clearly see it's an old paraffin funnel of some sort, isn't it? And the cow catcher. That's brilliant, that. I'm really impressed. I am genuinely impressed with it. I think it's going to be a massive seller.
OK, here we go. The Thornton Thunderbolt pedal locomotive. Current bid we've got there at 500, 600, £600, £700 bid, £800, £850, £850, £900, £900 bid.
950.
950, 950 at £950. £1,000 says Dave at £1,000. £1,000 a wheel done and 50, he says. 1,050.
It's gone 1,100.
Dave's phone it. £1,100. 1,150. £1,200. At £1,200, you're back in. At £1,200, it's your telephone bid then, David. £1,200 then. Sold to you, David.
That's good.
1,200.
Wow. Good money. Yeah. No, I'm surprised at that. That did well. Did very well.
We lost £500. But it must still be some sort of record value for a leeway. Our Thornton Thunderbolt has been proving it's more than just an ornament.
Oh, it's fantastic. It's a beautiful, beautiful train.
Retired farmers Clive and Hazel Swires seem to have found the perfect present for their grandchildren, Lillian and Sammy.
I think we've got a bargain. It's not your 2-bob plastic, use it twice and bin it. It's nice to have something that they want to come and play with. It's nearly like bribing the grandchildren to come, but...
It works well.
Full steam ahead.
Oh, gosh! It will get damaged, but every bump will be a memory. Either a hospital visit or something that was fine.
No jumping, sweetheart, because otherwise we'll rock the train.
Maybe once booking in for a repaint in 2 or 3 years' time, but we didn't buy it to look at it.